To fix the ACPI BIOS error on Windows 11, which causes a blue screen to appear randomly, displaying a message stating that the PC has run into a problem and needs to restart, along with a stop code. The solution is typically to update the BIOS. This usually resolves the issue. To do this, start by searching online for the computer manufacturer's name along with the terms BIOS or BIOS update. Visit the manufacturer's website, which should provide the necessary documentation and instructions for downloading and installing the updated BIOS. For example, for a Dell computer, you can visit the manufacturer's website, identify your product, and search for your computer by serial number, model, product name, or service tag. Alternatively, you can use the Detect Your Current Computer option. Similarly, for other manufacturers like Lenovo, you can search for Lenovo BIOS Update and follow the prompts to identify your device and download the update. You may also be able to use a system update app, such as Lenovo's Vantage app, if available on your computer. The general process involves finding the official website, downloading the BIOS update, installing it, and then restarting your computer. Following these steps should resolve the ACPI BIOS error issue.